Hello and welcome to Skool News.
Yes, so today we've got some good news. Native live streaming is live.
Yes!
So now you can host your live calls directly on Skool. And this replaces Zoom or Google Meet, whatever you're using. And you can save thousands of dollars and simplify your life and your workflow and everything.
Let's go.
And let me show you how it works. So first of all, scheduling events from your calendar. So now when you go to schedule an event, here I'm in my calendar. When you click to add a new event, you can see by default we do Skool call. Usually you would have to select one of these and then input the link. Now it just does it for you. And when you do that, the call will look like this. And you can see it's skool.com/live and then a link. So now members can just click this link to join, and it'll ask them to confirm their settings and join the call. So that works for like scheduled events on the calendar, recurring events, whatever. But there's also just going live like whenever you want.
Impromptu.
Yeah, so impromptu. And this is a really cool feature because you don't need to schedule anything. You can just be like, oh, I want to go live right now.
Boom.
So you click this.
One click.
And then you check your video looks good. You click join call and boom, now I am live.
Boom. So simple.
Here's some people. Looking good. Let me start a recording.
Boom.
It's good to see some people here.
Let's go. Real humans.
So we're recording this. There's chat. There's participants list here. So I can see we've already got like 19 people on, which is pretty cool. I can boot someone. So here's Bijan.
Oh, be gone, Bijan.
Gone. Boom.
Be gone.
There's also chat. You can see some people are chatting in here. Very cool. And yeah, I can share my screen. So let's say I want to present. You're going to see an infinity mirror, but that's too bad right now because I'm trying to demo what it looks like.
Yep.
Yeah, so you can do all of this stuff. Then I can stop sharing my screen. Let's say, I want someone else to share their screen. I can go to the participant list. Let's say Artin. There's no way I would do that. But I could allow screen sharing here and then he could share his screen. Or if someone's being really annoying, I could just mute them or disable their audio.
Or kick.
If someone's being inappropriate, you could disable their video.
Yep.
You can do all of that stuff.
Why don't you kick Artin?
Yeah, why not? Oh, where is it? Can't get him.
Big on. See ya.
Yep. Now he can come straight back if he wants, because this is just kick from the call. If you wanted to ban someone, you'd ban them from the group.
Yep.
Yeah. So yeah, that's how that works. And then let's see what other things I'm supposed to show you. Going live randomly, recordings. I started a recording. I did screen share, showed you the participants list. There's chat, which is, going good over here.
Oh no, Artin came back. Kick him from the group.
Then there's also settings. So from my settings here, I can select my microphone, speaker, camera. I can apply some effects. Like let's say I want to blur my background because it looks pretty messy.
There we go.
You can do that. You can also use some other background.
You can put yourself in the school office.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah, so you can do all of that stuff. And what else is there? Call link. So let's say someone's like, oh, how do I find this call? You can just go to participants and copy this call link, give it to them.
Yep, and only people in the group can join.
Yep. Then you can see what it looks like when you go live randomly. If you just click go live, it starts what we call a random hangout.
Yep.
Just so you don't even have to come up with a name, you can just join really fast. We just call it random hangout.
And it doesn't notify anyone. If you want to notify anyone, you can just get the link, make a post and say, I'm live right now.
Yep. And then what else is there? Works on desktop and on mobile. So it works on your phone too. Now, let me end this call now. So we'll end this. Now, when I end, I can leave call. Let's say I'm on here, but I want people to keep hanging out. I could just drop, but let people keep hanging out.
Yep.
And it would end the call when everyone left. This is also good if your internet connection drops. It doesn't blow up your whole call. You could just join again, right?
Yep, that's good.
But if you wanted to end it for everyone, you've got this option too.
Nice.
So if I click this, boom, everyone just will land on a screen like this that says the call has ended, and it takes you back to your group, and the live thing's gone.
Yeah, I love that live feature because it changes the feel of Skool. Like at the moment, the main interaction is through texts in posts and comments, but this feels like whenever I want to connect with a real human, you can instantly.
Yep, and look at this. My recording's already available.
Already?
Yep, so you get a notification. If you click on this, here's my recording, right? Now you just want to click this and download to your computer at the moment. Then if I want to post it, I could just go like this. Processing, and as soon as it's processed, you can post it. So it's already processed, post it.
Oh.
So you've already got, I just did a live call, recorded it, and made it available to everyone processed all the way into 1080p. And there's the recording, just like that.
Let's go.
Which is pretty fast.
People are commenting already.
Yep. And you can see there's already people commenting on this. It's pretty fast.
That was cool.
Yeah. So the live streams are in 1080p if your internet connection is fast enough to support 1080p.
Nice.
We scale it down if people's connections are slower.
Yep. And Zoom is 720p, and it's hard to get Zoom in 1080, and this is 1080 by default.
Yeah, nothing's higher than 1080
Yeah.
unless you're paying like $1 million or something. And then the recordings are in 1080 too.
Nice.
Yeah. Zoom recordings, I think, are in 720, so it's better than that.
Amazing.
And yeah, so a quick note about the recordings. Oh my God. So if you don't download your call recording within 14 days, we just drop it. Just because we don't want to be storing infinite amounts of crap that no one's using.
Yep.
So we give you a notification, you got to download it within 14 days. And then if you post it somewhere, now it is somewhere and it's not going to get cleared.
Nice.
Yeah, so a small note about that. Now.
Usage limits. Oh
yeah.
no. Cost.
Are we going to screw everyone?
No.
Yeah, so usage limits.
There's limits, there's costs.
So you can have 10,000 people on that call. It would break. No, it wouldn't break, but it would be chaos because it's a grid view and like everyone could be talking. But yeah, like there basically is no limits. So usage limits is basically none. Now the cost.
Cost.
It's free.
Oh.
So you just get it included in your, so it's free on both hobby and pro plan.
Insane.
Yep.
How?
I don't know. And then, yeah, I already showed you how you can download and post the recordings. Now, permissions. So this is a little detail about this feature. So obviously only admins can see the go live button.
Yep.
You don't want some random just going live in
Yes.
there, right? And only admins can schedule calendar events, right?
Mm-hmm.
So pretty straightforward. Then when you get on a live call, like to be able to kick someone or to be able to give them screen share permissions or disable someone's video, disable someone's audio, right? To do all of that, that's only like admins.
Nice.
So we just use the permissions from the group to keep things simple.
That's clean.
If someone's an admin, yeah, then they can control stuff. If they're a member, then they're just a member.
Nice.
But an admin can give a member more controls like share screen and stuff.
Nice.
And only members can join the calls. So if someone's not in your group, they can't join the call.
Yep.
This is really good because, you know, people add calendar events to to their calendar, or they might share around the link to the weekly Zoom call, and then any random can kind of get in.
Yeah, it's true. Last year with the Skoolgames, we had the same Zoom link for every single call, and I was wondering how many people have churned but just kept the Zoom link and was joining after they've left the group.
Oh yeah, it happens everywhere in the industry.
Yeah.
So then if someone's not a member and they go to one of these live links, right? So if I go incognito window, it just takes you to the about page.
Nice.
Which is where you'd want them to go anyway, because that way they could join your group.
Yep.
Or they could, if they were not logged in, they could log in. And then if they are a member, it takes them straight to this page here where they can join.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, and that's a nice little feature. You can see how many people are in the call.
And profile pictures are taken from Skool so that everyone has a profile picture.
Yeah, that's a good point. And in the participants list, all names and profile pics are just straight from the users, so you know who is who on the call.
Yes.
Sometimes you get these random people and you're like, who is that?
Yep.
Yeah. I think that covers pretty much everything. So this is V1, version 1 of the live stream feature. And we're going to ship some incremental improvements to it. The next thing we're working on right now that we want to ship pretty soon is the ability to post recordings instantly without downloading and uploading. It was already pretty fast.
Yeah.
But I know we can do a lot better.
So you'll click the notification and it'll just go straight into
basically
a post or something like that.
Yeah. So because, it is a bit of a pain that you've got to download the recording, upload the recording.
Yep.
We should just be able to just put it straight there.
I've never seen that done before anywhere.
Well, get ready for something.
Wow.
Then webinars. So I'm sure some people are probably thinking, well, actually, yeah, I'm sure some people are probably thinking, well, on my calls, I've got hundreds or thousands of people on the call. I don't want everyone to have their video on, right? So we looked at all of the data on Skool, and the most common call type that people do is the grid view with many people having their video on and talking.
Yep, just like a hangout with 5, 10, 20, 30 people.
It's your standard Google Meet or Zoom call, yeah. And so that satisfies most people.
Yep.
And so that's what we currently have in V1. But we're creating a slight variant to it called a Skool webinar. The one we just shipped is called Skool Call.
Yep.
So you'll have Skool Call or Skool webinar. And with a webinar, only the presenter has the video and mic on unless you bring people up onto the stage.
Yes. So for like Q&As or
big
presentations.
Right now, this here, Skool News, is a webinar.
Yep.
Which is why we're not using, we're not doing Skool News on the Skool Call feature because it's a different kind of show.
Yep. There's hundreds of people. If they were all turning their mic on, it would be chaos.
Yeah. And this is a natural kind of progression too for communities is when they're small, it's always the grid view and everyone's getting to know each other. But at a certain size, that kind of breaks down. Like you can't have 1,000 people with video on talking at the same time.
Yes.
Then it turns more into a broadcast with chat, but you can bring people up onto the stage. Yeah.
So it's a Zoom call and a Zoom what?
A Skool call and a Skool webinar.
Can you say it again?
Skool call, Skool webinar.
Webinar.
Oh my God. So yeah, this is V1 and pretty soon we'll have the recordings. Then we'll get working on that webinar thing. But yeah, we encourage you guys to try it out. Let us know what you think and enjoy.
Boom. Thanks for showing up. See ya.